Figured I'd shoot a little bonus video. I realized at the end of the last one that I hadn't really looked at a couple of things that I had done in here, and it's kind of all happening in one room, so I might as well. So it's the same day, just after I finished shooting that other video, decided that I should show you guys what's going on. So this is that putty, and it's still just tacky and like, I don't know, like putty. It's red because it's fire rated, but they make it gray as well, which is the non-fire rated stuff. You see it outside on conduit like this, an exterior setting all the time. But the basic deal is, you know, you put it anywhere that there's could be air coming through. You can see it kind of spooging through. I put that one in there to just fill the void because I had excess. But, you know, this was the first one I did. Very ugly. But you can kind of see, I don't know if you can see, it squeezes right out those receptacles. This might be a better one. Can I see it in there? Not really, it's too dark. Just maybe on the edges you can see the red coming through, and that's that, just sealing it up. You know, I went as far as to even do these ones that aren't broken out on the bottoms. I got better by the time I was doing these. And, you know, these little sockets weren't used to push wire through, but they're still open all the way around it. These boxes aren't sealed. So I did this one from the top. I hope you can see this because I can't really see what the viewfinder is seeing. And that from the inside, and sealed it all up on all of those electrical boxes. So hopefully that'll pay off. Now these little green things are going to air seal to the what's holding the insulation in and the drywall, and that'll help. It'll be an additional layer, but at that point, you know, those do a whole lot less work than those putty pads are doing. So I need a couple of more of these green outlet covers, and I want them up top as well. If we're going to use them, we might as well use them. The other thing that I mentioned and didn't get to, I forgot to stop and look at, was this steel post. And you can see this was one of my little holes, just about a, you know, 1/4 inch hole that I did every couple of feet here. And basically I would, you know, this hole, I'd start filling from the one above. I'd see it start pouring out, and then I'd stop, and I'd let this set up, get hard for about an hour, trim it off, and then I'd start filling up here until it spooged, you know, came out here, and then I'd stop and let it firm up, trim it off. So we did, I don't know, I ended up using, I think, 4 cans for this steel post, and it goes down about another foot below us here as well, and it's all filled up. Drilling it out was no fun, but you know, this is incredible overkill in terms of the amount of weight that it's actually taking here. You know, the block starts about here, but then it's open again here and open there, as you can see, and then yeah, you can see the block up above. And so by several courses above the roof line, this post isn't even doing anything because it's all getting distributed kind of diagonally and laterally. That's why you see cracks in brick often go kind of diagonally at, you know, like through here. And actually we had cracking like this on this end of the house. But anyway, it doesn't come straight down. And so this is taking very little load. It just is about really holding this amount of brick up and the stuff above it. So I think I had previously said that it was like holding up all the brick. It's not. It's all getting distributed throughout the whole wall, really. It's we could have gotten away with like 1/4 inch steel here, no sweat, and the steel we got in was well above that. So anyway, there's your bonus quickie. Hopefully that gets you through until I post another video. Take care. Have a good one.